Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again with a new session of Science 1 Carbon Compounds. Today we are going to discuss about important carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid. Ethanol, definitely it is an alcohol, and ethanoic acid is carboxylic acid. Are the two types of commercially important carbon compounds. Let us now learn more about them. It is there for the practical also. At room temperature, At room temperature, colorless ethanol in a liquid and its boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. Generally, ethanol is also called as an alcohol or spirit. Ethanol is soluble in water in all proportions. When aqueous solution of ethanol is tested with litmus paper, it is found to be neutral. Therefore, nature is neither acidic nor it is basic. Consumption of small quantities of dilute ethanol shows its effects, even though is condemned, still it has remained socially widespread practice. Consumption of alcohol harms health in number of ways. It adversely affects the physiological process and central nervous system. Consumption of even small quantity of pure alcohol, called as absolute alcohol, can be lethal. So if you are not habituated to you consumption of alcohol, you should avoid it. Otherwise, it may be lethal, it may be dangerous. Ethanol being good solvent, it is used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough mixture, and also in many tonics. So after drinking the cough syrup, we feel like dizziness, नींद जैसा आता है. That is because of the presence of alcohol. Now, chemical properties of ethanol. You have learned about the oxidation reaction of ethanol in a previous unit of this chapter. Two more reactions of ethanol are as follows. The functional group OH plays an important role in the reaction of ethanol. First reaction with sodium. When sodium reacts with ethanol to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas is given out. All the alcohols react with sodium metal to liberate hydrogen gas and form sodium alkoxide salts. In this reaction of ethanol with sodium metal, hydrogen gas and sodium ethoxide is formed as a product. Try this. This activity should be demonstrated by the teacher. So, in case if we get a chance, we will go to the lab to perform this experiment. Apparatus required for this experiment: big test tube, delivery tube fitted with a rubber cork, knife, candle, etc. Apparatus, chemicals used in this: sodium metal, ethanol, magnesium ribbon, etc. Procedure to perform this experiment: take 10 ml of ethanol in a big test tube, cut sodium metal into 2-3 pieces of cereal grain size, put the sodium pieces into ethanol in a test tube, and fix the gas delivery tube at the test tube. Turning the candle near the outlet of this gas delivery tube and observe. What do we observe? Which is the combustible gas coming out of the gas delivery tube? Definitely it is none other than hydrogen. Why do sodium pieces appear to dance on the surface of the ethanol? Because of the bubble formed, it appears to be dancing on the surface of the ethanol. Bubbles is in touch with the hydrogen, bubbles is in touch with the sodium, and therefore it appears to be dance on the surface of the ethanol. Repeat the above procedure using magnesium ribbon instead of sodium. Now, same type of reaction may take place, but level of reactivity may differ because of the reactivity. Sodium is more reactive than magnesium. Do you still see gas bubble released from the piece of magnesium ribbon? Does magnesium metal react with the ethanol? In the previous standard, you have learned that a moderately reactive metal such as magnesium reacts with strong acid to liberate hydrogen gas. Though ethanol is neutral, it reacts with sodium metal and liberates hydrogen gas. Sodium being highly reactive metal, it reacts it with its neutral functional group OH of the ethanol. Now, dehydration reaction. Dehydration. D matlab means removal. Hydration means removal of water. Means in this reaction, molecule of water is being removed as a product. When ethanol is heated at a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius with excess amount of concentrated sulfuric acid, one molecule of water is removed from its molecule to form ethene, an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So here in this reaction we are seeing that how saturated hydrocarbon gets converted into unsaturated hydrocarbon with the help of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here concentrated sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent, means sulfuric acid is responsible for the removal of water molecule from the ethanol. Now the green part is being omitted, so we'll move to try this in the next part of this. But I would suggest that you should read once, may be helpful for your exam. Now try this apparatus. Glaze style glass rods, pH paper, blue litmus paper. Chemicals used: dilute ethanoic acid, dilute sulfuric acid. Procedure: how to perform the experiment. Place two strips of blue litmus paper on a glaze tile. Put one drop of dilute hydrochloric acid on one strip with the help of a glass rod. Put one drop of dilute ethanoic acid with the help of another glass rod on the other strip. Note the color change taken place in the litmus strip. Repeat the same procedure using the pH paper. Note all the observations in the following table. Now acid is there, definitely the pH value will be less than 7. Which one of the ethanoic acid and hydrochloric acid is stronger? Definitely hydrochloric acid is stronger. Indicator paper out of the blue litmus paper and pH paper is useful to distinguish between ethanoic acid and hydrochloric acid. If you use blue litmus paper, both will for both the solution here blue litmus paper turns red in color, which will not help us to indicate the difference between ethanoic acid and hydrochloric acid. But if you use the pH paper, the difference in the color will help us to indicate the difference between ethanoic acid and hydrochloric acid. Chemical properties of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid contains carboxylic acid as a functional group. Carboxylic acid implies here COOH group. The chemical reaction of ethanoic acids are mainly due to the functional group. Reaction with base. An acid reacts with base, forms salts and water. So, a reaction with a strong base. Ethanoic acid gives neutralization reaction with a strong base, sodium hydroxide, to form salt and water. So, here acetic acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, to form salt, and water is given out. The IUPAC name of the salt from here is sodium ethanoate, while the common name is sodium acetate. You have learned in the previous standard that acetic acid is a weak acid. Will the salt sodium acetate be neutral? No, it won't be neutral because strong base is there and weak acid is there, and therefore the nature of ethanoate will be more basic rather than neutral. Reaction with carbonate and bicarbonate, that can be only known with the help by performing experiment. Here try this is given here. Apparatus required for this experiment is a big test tube, small test tube, bent gas delivery tube, rubber cork, thistle funnel, stand, etc. Chemicals: acetic acid, sodium carbonate powder, freshly prepared lime water. Now, how the experiment is being performed. Procedure: arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Place sodium carbonate powder in the big test tube. Pour 10 ml of acetic acid through thistle funnel. Observe the changes taking place in the two test tubes. which gas does come out as an effervescence in the big test tube. Definitely, that effervescence is nothing but carbon dioxide gas. By a bubble seen in the small test tube. There, directly acetic acid comes in contact with the sodium carbonate, and therefore, at the small test tube, the bubbles are being observed. What is the color change in the lime water? Write the related equation. That you have to write it of your own. In this activity, acid reacts with the basic salt, namely sodium carbonate, to form a salt named sodium ethanoate. Water and carbon dioxide gases given out. You can see the reaction here. Ethanoic acid or acetic acid in the presence of water reacts with sodium carbonate in the gaseous form sodium ethanoate. Water and carbon dioxide is formed. The carbon dioxide gas of the effervescence passes through gas delivery tube and reacts with the lime water in a small test tube. Lime water turning milky is the test of carbon dioxide gas. If sodium bicarbonate is used instead of sodium carbonate in the above activity, similar observation is obtained. Here, acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium ethanoate. Water and carbon dioxide is given out. Explain with reaction why does the lime water turns milky. Carbon dioxide gas is evolved and that carbon dioxide gas is allowed to pass through lime water and therefore lime water turns out to be milky. Explain the reaction that would take place when a piece of sodium metal is dropped into an ethanoic acid. The sodium metal will react with ethanoic acid to form sodium ethoxide. Two test tube contains two colorless liquids, ethanol and ethanoic acid. Explain by writing the equation which chemical test you would perform to tell which substance is present in the which test tube. I think so. If you use pH paper, that will help us to know exactly which is the compound because that color difference will help us. Now, remaining part can be understood with the help of the chemical equation if we are writing it. Then, esterification reaction. Substances having ester as the functional group are formed by reaction between carboxylic acid and an alcohol. In order to understand this, here one more short experiment is being done. Apparatus test burner. Chemicals glacial ethanoic acid, ethanol concentrated sulfuric acid, etc. Procedure: take 1 ml of ethanol and 1 ml of glacial ethanoic acid in a test tube. Add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid in it. Keep this test tube in a beaker containing hot water for 5 minutes. Then take 20 to 30 milliliter water in another beaker and pour the above reaction mixture in it and smell it. Ethanoic acid reacts with ethanol in the presence of acid catalyst and ester, and ethyl ethanoate is formed. So here acetic acid and alcohol directly comes in contact with each other to form ethyl ethanoate with the water. Esters have sweet odor, मीठी खुशबू आती है. Majority of the fruits owe their odor to a particular ester present in them. Esters are used Esters are used for making fragrances and flavoring agents. When an ester is reacted with alkali sodium hydroxide, the corresponding alcohols and carboxylic acid are obtained back. This reaction is called as saponification reaction. It is used in the preparation of soap from fats. This is one method of preparing soap. Ester plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium carboxylate plus alcohol. When fat is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, soap and glycerin is formed. Which functional groups might be present in fat and glycerin? What do you think about it? When ester reacts with sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate with alcohol is formed. When fat is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, soap and glycerin is formed. The macromolecules and polymers are omitted from your syllabus. So here and even the next page of this lesson is also fully cancelled. So thus we have covered up the whole lesson from your from this lesson. For remaining other part of this lesson or for any doubts and queries, we can do the remaining part of it in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Be safe and sound. Take care of yourself.